Welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the sets, some of the methods in sets. In the previous class, we have already discussed how to, that means syntax of the sets and how to call a set. That means how to access elements in a set. We have discussed some of the concepts. So we all know sets going to represent with these braces, clever braces. Now I am going to take a method union. Union is a method which is used to perform a union operation between two sets we have. For example, I have A contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B contains 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the two sets. If I used to perform a union operation between these two sets, you have two models. First one is by using symbol. We have a symbol, union symbol in Python. If I want to perform union between A and B, you have to use this straight line symbol going to represent the union operation. Or we have one more model, A dot union of B. A union B, A dot union of B. This is another way to represent union. If to apply the symbol or the method, the output is same. So what is the output is that if you use this union operation between two sets, it used to create a new set by just it contains the values in A and values in B. What are the values in A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what are the values in B? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let us observe this. We all know sets doesn't allow a duplicate elements. That means here 4 and 5 is the duplicate elements are removed. So after that, this is my final output. It contains the values in both A and B sets and remove the duplicate items in that set. This is called union operation. Next one, intersection. So intersection also performed in between two sets A and B. I am taking a set A which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B which is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here AND operator. This is the symbol used for intersection A, intersection B. And also another model A dot intersection of B. What is intersection performed? The elements which are common in A and B are going to be filtered. So previously in union it's just perform the collection of A and B and removes the repeated elements. But here what are the common elements in A and B are going to be the output. You can use A and B or A dot intersection B. So both provides the same output. Next one. Intersection update. It is as it is like previous intersection operation. What intersection done? It used to take the common elements, that means 4 and 5 are the common elements, that is your output. That is your output. So in intersection update, you have A and B. Here we don't have any symbols. You have to write directly A dot intersection update of B. I am just using A dot intersection update of B. So if you write like this, A is going to be updated. The method name itself contains update. So previously A and B are not changed. A new set is created as your output. But here the set A is going to be updated. If you write B dot intersection update, B is going to be updated. Next, if you write like this, what happened? So if you use intersection operation, What is going to be take? The common elements in A and B are going to be filtered. What are the common elements? 2, 3 and 4 are the common elements in both two sets are going to be updated in A. Now A contains 2, 3, 4. If you use A dot intersection update of B, it updates A, set A with the output. What is the output here? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 are the common elements. That's why your output is 2, 3, 4 if you apply intersection operator. Intersection updates, it updates A only. That is the difference. Next, difference. Difference means minus symbol is used to perform difference between two sets. Here I have set A and set B. Set A contains some elements, set B contains some elements. If I use minus operation between these two, it just removes the elements which are in A. That means just remove the elements which are in B. Let us see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It just remove the elements which are in B. So let us check what is B. B contains 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means here B contains 4, that's why it's removed 4. 5, it removes 5. Finally it contains 1, 2, 3. This is your output. It is nothing but the difference. If I use B minus A for the same, if I use B minus A, what happened? It removed B is 4 is a common element, 5 is a common element, and your output is 6, 7, 8. A minus B and B minus C A, both are different. Next, difference update. So previously we have seen difference. Difference update means it updates the set A. Here in difference it doesn't update A, it just retrieves some output. It just creates some output. But difference update means, so let us see A and B sets. A dot difference update of B. What? A dot difference update of B. So what are the common elements in A and B? C. Next, G. So finally it contains A, B. So now A is going to be updated with this set. It is a 4 itemed set is going to be updated with 2 itemed set. This is the difference update. Symmetric difference. Here the operator AND is used to perform this A and B. Let us see about this. I have a set A and set B which contains some elements. I just use a symmetric difference operator which we simply call as a cap symbol. So what happened with this is that it is vice versa to difference. It is vice versa to difference. So in a previous case we have seen the common elements. 4 is the common and 5 is the common. And here it just creates a set which contains the remaining items. What are the remaining items in set 1? 1, 2, 3. In set 2, 6, 7, 8. This is your output. So like this. Previously we have it returns difference update returns the remaining elements in A only. Okay. But now here it used to take the remaining elements in both A and B. Okay. Next, symmetric difference update. Same. Update means it updates A. That's all. That is the only difference. So let us see here. I have a set A, C, D, and C, D. What are the common elements? These two are the common elements. Now your set contains A, E. A dot symmetric difference update. That means this set is assigned to A. Now the 3 valued set is going to be changed to 2 valued set. If you call A now, after performing this operation, if you call A, it just gives the output as A and E. Next, is superset. What is superset? Is superset is nothing but, for example, I am taking a set A, B, C. Set A contains some element, B contains some element, C contains some elements. Now, if I use A dot is superset of B. Now, if I write a statement, A is a superset of B. A is a superset of B. That means, let us see, this is B. What is B? 1, 2, 3. And let us take A. It contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. Sorry, this is A. This is A. A is a superset of B. Yes. That means the values which are in B are also in A. That's why it is a superset. It returns true. It returns true. Yes, it returns true or false. If it is true, it returns true. If it is false, it returns false. Next, B is a superset of A. B is B. B contains 1, 2, 3 elements only, but A contains 4, 5 also. But it is not a superset. That's why it returns false. Next, if you take these two, C is superset of B. That means C contains values 1, 2, 3, and also B contains values 1, 2, 3. That's why it is a superset and returns output as true. That means no need, if both items are equal, then also it returns true. Next one, subset. It is reversed to the superset. Subset means, let us take A is a subset of B. What is A? A is 1, 2, 3. Next, B. What is B? B is 1, 2, 3. Along with 1, 2, 3 we have 4, 5. So, what I am saying, A is subset of. A is subset of what? B. Yes, true. It returns output true. Next, B is not, B is subset of A. A is 1, 2, 3. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is not a subset of. B is not a subset. It is a superset. That's why it returns false. A is subset of C. If you take one more, C. What is A? 1, 2, 3. And A is subset of C. What is C? C is 1, 2, 4, 5. So the values which are in A and values which are in B, there is not common. So it is only like this. 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, it is not a subset. That's why it returns false. Next, C is subset of B. C is subset of B. Yes, true. It returns true. What is B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is C? C is a subset of 4, 5. That's why it returns true. That means the elements which are in B and C, 1, 2, 4, 5, which is a subset of B. Clear? Next. So, these are the concepts we have to be used to perform any kind of operations in sets. So we have to practice a lot. When you practice more, then it's going to be very easy to perform any task. Thank you.